A backyard water slide turns your outdoor space into a fun and refreshing play zone for kids and families during warm days. In this video, we'll show you 5 of the best backyard water slides that offer easy setup, durability, and exciting features for endless summer fun. Whether you want a small slide or a large inflatable, there's a perfect option here for you. Check the links in the description to learn more. Let's get started. Number 5. Starting off our list is the Causeair Inflatable Water Slide. The Causeair Inflatable Water Slide is perfect for backyard fun, designed for kids aged 3 to 10. It encourages active play, helping children take a break from screens and enjoy the outdoors. Ideal for parties, holidays, or everyday play, it offers a healthy way to release energy. Safety is prioritized with durable, non-toxic materials and 3 mesh safety nets around the jumping area. Mesh guards on the slide's top and sides prevent falls. The blower includes a GFCI plug for safe use by adults. The slide features double long slides, a bouncing area, a splash pool, and a water spray gun for added excitement. It holds a total weight of up to 350 pounds, with an individual limit of 80 pounds. Setup is fast and simple, inflating in minutes for wet or dry use. After fun, it deflates quickly and stores easily in the carrying bag. Number 4. Next up, we have the Bounwell Inflatable Water Slide. The Bounwell Inflatable Water Slide is a fantastic addition to any backyard, offering multiple fun activities for kids. It includes 2 water slides, 2 climbing walls, a splash pool, a basketball hoop, and a water cannon, providing hours of entertainment. Made from durable, puncture-resistant material, this inflatable ensures safe play with mesh safety nets around the jumping and climbing areas. It's designed for both wet and dry use, making it perfect for all seasons. Setup is quick and easy with the included heavy-duty blower. The slide inflates in minutes and deflates just as fast for convenient storage and portability. Its size fits well in most outdoor spaces. Ideal for kids who love active play, the Bounwell Inflatable Water Slide encourages outdoor fun and exercise. It's a perfect choice for parties, family gatherings, or everyday play, keeping children engaged and safe while having a blast. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is Awesmflate Commercial Water Slide. The Awesmflate Commercial Water Slide is a high-quality inflatable designed for backyard fun with durability and excitement in mind. Made from commercial-grade PCV vinyl, it is built to last longer and withstand heavy use, perfect for both home and rental purposes. Measuring 21 by 9 by 12 feet, this water slide features dual slides, a climbing wall, a splash pool, and water cannons, offering multiple ways for kids to enjoy active play. Its spacious design allows several children to play at once, making it great for parties and family gatherings. Safety is a top priority with reinforced seams and mesh safety nets that prevent falls. The included 1100-watt blower inflates the slide quickly and efficiently, while the sturdy construction supports a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds. The Awesmflate Commercial Water Slide turns any backyard into a mini water park, providing endless fun and peace of mind for parents supervising their kids. Number 2, at the runner-up spot, we have the AKEYDIY Inflatable Dual-Lane Water Slide. The AKEYDIY Inflatable Dual-Lane Water Slide is a fantastic addition to any backyard, offering hours of fun for kids aged 3 to 10. It features 2 slides, a climbing wall, a splash pool, and water cannons, providing multiple ways for children to play and stay active. Made from durable, puncture-resistant materials, the slide prioritizes safety with mesh nets around the jumping and climbing areas to prevent falls. Reinforced seams and tall guardrails add extra security, ensuring kids can enjoy the slide worry-free. Setup is simple and quick, thanks to the included 520-watt blower, which inflates the slide in minutes. When playtime is over, the inflatable deflates easily for compact storage and portability. Perfect for backyard parties, holidays, or everyday play, the AKEYDIY Dual-Lane Water Slide transforms any outdoor space into an exciting mini water park. It encourages healthy outdoor activity and keeps children entertained while giving parents peace of mind. Number 1. And finally, our top pick is the JOYIN Water Slide. The JOYIN Water Slide is a vibrant and fun addition to any backyard, perfect for keeping kids entertained outdoors. Measuring 22.5 feet long and 62 inches wide, this slip and slide features a built-in sprinkler system along the center, providing a continuous flow of water for a smooth, slippery ride that kids will love. Safety is a key focus with the JOYIN slide. It includes a splash pool at the end for a soft landing and raised edges to prevent water from spilling out, keeping the play area neat and minimizing slips or accidents. The slide is made from durable materials designed to withstand energetic play. Setting up the JOYIN water slide is simple. Just unroll it on a flat surface, secure it with included ground stakes, connect a garden hose, and adjust the water flow as desired. This easy setup makes it great for spontaneous fun and quick backyard activities. Suitable for children aged 3 and up, the JOYIN water slide is ideal for family gatherings, parties, or everyday outdoor play, offering safe and exciting water fun all summer long. Thanks for watching! If you're looking to turn your backyard into a water wonderland, these best backyard water slides offer endless fun for kids and adults alike. For more details and the latest prices, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more outdoor gear reviews and summer essentials. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.